Living in a small space doesn't mean that you have to compromise on design and style. Hi, my name is Ala, I'm an architect, and in this video I will give you 5 tips and tricks on how to make the best of your small living space experience. Tip number 1. Light colors. One of the best ideas to help you enjoy living in a small space is using light colors as much as possible, whether it's the walls paint, the curtains, or the furniture. It's better to select light and bright moods because darker ones can make the space feel much smaller. But on the contrary, brighter colors make the light bounce around the room, which makes the space feel more spacious. So when the natural light fills up the space, it will breathe and give it a fresh look. Tip number 2. Multifunctional furniture. Because small rooms have limited space, that means that they can get cramped and overstuffed very quickly due to the many pieces of furniture needed in the room for different tasks. A great solution for that is having more than one function for the same piece of furniture. In our case, we're using a movable and separable coffee table, which allows us to use it as a side table when needed, and it's very useful when guests come over. Also, it can be easily moved to the side of the room to clear the space for other uses, like providing a bigger area for our baby Olivia to play. Another piece is the corner sofa, which is a bespoke design to have its rest detached and used as an extra seat when needed. The dining table also can be extended to easily host 6 people only when needed, so it doesn't take space all the time. Also, this table serves as a working surface when not feeling like sitting at a desk, so I can spend time with my wife while working. Tip number 3. Elevated furniture. By using our custom-built sofa, which is raised from the floor on these modern solid legs, that allows your eyes to see the extension of the floor below the sofa, which makes the room feel bigger. Raised furniture also can be used as a place to hide larger items if you're lacking storage space. Another great tip is using an elevated wall-mounted TV unit. That looks modern, makes it easier to clean beneath it, and provide more floor space. Tip number 4. Keep it clean. Little small spaces can get dirty, messy, and overwhelming so much faster than larger spaces, and the task of cleaning usually can be kept delayed. So get into the daily habit of the 10 minutes tidy, because if one thing gets out of order, it can take a lot of room since you don't have much room already. Like leaving the jacket, leaving some personals, some papers on the table, baby toys, anything. But all these things you can take care of in the 10 minutes rule. Clean and tied up every day and the room will feel fresh and crisp in no time. Tip number 5. Give it a home. This one will help you with the previous tip. Give each of your possessions a home, because everything needs a home, just like you. This way it's easy to put it back once you finish using it, and you always know where to find it, and it helps to make your space clutter-proof. So here you go, these are my 5 tips to help you with your small living room. Leave me a comment, let me know what kind of space you live in. Is it an apartment, a condo, a small studio? Let me know down below. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.